Welcome to today's tech tip. On today's video, we're going to take you through the disassembly of your Harrier rifle. While your rifle may not be equipped with some of the furniture here, the disassembly is going to be the same regardless of your make. Before we get started, we're going to make sure that there's no ammunition on the bench or in the firearm. Since we don't have any ammo on the bench, we're going to go ahead and ensure that the firearm is clear. We're going to press down on the bolt stop, lock the bolt to the rear, and then we're going to visually and physically check to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. Once you've done that, you can then hit the bolt release to send the bolt carrier back into battery. Then ensure that the firearm is on safe. Now, to disassemble your rifle, you really don't need any tools, but having some available to you can make the job a bit easier. A small set of pliers and a punch can help during the disassembly process. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to separate the upper from the lower. To do that, you're going to press on the rear lower pin, and this is where a punch may come in handy. Some of the Harrier rifles are equipped with a tensioning screw that controls the upper and lower fit, and they can be pretty tight. So if it is, just use a small non-marring punch to press that pin out of the way. Next, you'll do the same thing on the front pin. Press that out the way. And again, the front is also a retained pin. You can now separate the upper from the lower, and we can put the lower to the side. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the bolt carrier group from the upper. And to do that, you're going to grab the charging handle, squeezing the latch, and you're just going to draw the charging handle and the bolt carrier to the rear. You can then slide the bolt carrier group out the back, put that to the side, and then we're going to remove the charging handle. The charging handle comes back slightly further, and then there's 2 ears on the side of the charging handle and 2 corresponding cuts in the upper. Once those are aligned, you can then lift the charging handle out of the upper. You can put the upper to the side as well as the charging handle, and then we'll begin to disassemble the bolt carrier group. To do this, you're going to remove the cross pin that retains the firing pin, which will allow you to remove the cam pin and then the bolt out the front. This is where some small pliers may come in handy, as it may be difficult to remove this pin if there's fouling. So you just get it started, and then using your fingers, you can pull that retaining pin out the side. Place this to the side in a safe location so you don't lose it. You're then going to press the bolt to the rear, and then you're going to lift the bolt carrier vertically, and the firing pin will just fall out the back. Now, with the bolt to the rear, you're then going to orient the cam pin parallel with the gas key to allow clearance for it to come out the top and side. You can then just rotate that over, or if necessary, you can pull it out with a pair of pliers. Then from here, you're just going to pull the bolt out the front of the bolt carrier group. With that complete, that concludes the disassembly of the Harrier rifle. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and for more information on the Harrier or additional tech tips, please visit us at Ruger.com.